name is Petra Greiling. I am the Regional Human Capital Manager for Middle East, Turkey, Pakistan and Turkmenistan. Days like today is important to CNH globally. CNH is a partner to the Breast Cancer Research Foundation Fund. We really are focused on educating people and actually also celebrating people's lives who actually go through cancer, as well as the family members who support people who need to go through cancer. So it's important to us to hear the stories of our employees, how they have had success stories, or on the other side also how they had to be involved in the support side to somebody in the family who had cancer.
I'm Bodine du Plessis. I'm in charge of safety, security and facility. So CNH South Africa has a few stuff planned for October for Breast Cancer Month. We had the fun day today where everybody had to submit a design, build it according to the design, and they had to decorate it today. They were scored upon using only scrap metal. I think they did quite well.
Today was an absolute success. We could really see that the employees enjoyed themselves. We had great engagement from the employees, and just the good competition amongst the employees gave a nice energy to the whole day. So yes, it was really a great success.
We also have 2 articles that we did with our own CNH employees here in South Africa. One that actually went through breast cancer and one whose wife had breast cancer. So the first article will go about living through it and how she got through it, and the second one is with regards to support for someone that is currently going with it. Together with that, we will be selling all of our scrap metal throughout our branches in South Africa, and all proceeds from that we will donate to breast cancer.
To any cancer fighters out there, I just want to say, never ever lose hope. It might seem difficult while you go through it, and for people on the support side, it's not always easy. Never ever lose hope. You never know what is on the other side or at the end of your journey. And in CNH, I can truly say, speaking from experience, in this CNH family, nobody fights alone.
If I can give out one message, go out, get yourself tested. And for those of you that are currently going through it, you are strong, you are a fighter, and our CNH family is with you.